What you should do if you have an antisocial neighbor, regularly causing excessive noise in the midnight.
Hi, Mr. Thompson. Do you have a moment to chat?
Sure, what's up?
Wanted to talk about the noise at night. It's been quite loud, especially around midnight, and it's been hard for me to get to sleep. I appreciate you being friendly and having a good time, but the noise has been really disruptive. Is there a way we can work this out?
I didn't realize it was that loud. I thought it was okay.
I understand that everyone has their own schedule. Maybe you could lower the volume a bit after a certain time? It would really help me out.
I can try to keep it down. I'm sorry for bothering you.
Thanks for understanding. I really appreciate it. I want us to have a good relationship as neighbors.
Absolutely. Let me know if it gets loud again.
Hey, just checking in. The noise has been much better lately. Thanks for making the effort.
No problem. I'm glad to hear it.